To add an external email account to Microsoft Outlook 365 on your PC or laptop, first go to File in the top menu, then click on the Add Account button, and you should see a pop-up box like this one. Type the address of the email account you want to add and click on the Connect button. On the next screen, you need to choose what type of account you're adding, and for me it's an IMAP account, but you might have something different like a POP3 account. Depending on what you choose, you'll need to follow a process to set up and connect the email account. I need to fill in the IMAP details provided by my domain host. If I was setting up a POP3 account, I would need to get the POP3 details from my domain host instead. Once the details have been added, click on Next, then put in the password for the email account and press Connect. As you can see, my external email account has now been added to Outlook, and if I click on Done, I can see that the email address is now there. If I check the inbox, I can see that Microsoft Outlook has sent a test email to make sure everything is working okay. So that's how easy it is to add an external email account to Outlook 365 on your PC or laptop.